Hey guys, this is the Chamberlain MyQ doorbell camera. I have a garage door opener that's already with Chamberlain MyQ app, and this is something that I can use on the same app. Inside the box, you get the smart doorbell, a USB charging cord, and the mounting hardware with the bracket. It can be hardwired into your existing doorbell wiring, or you can use it wire-free. It has a built-in rechargeable battery that's easy to charge and can last for weeks on a single charge. The doorbell features a high-quality 2K camera and a built-in microphone, giving you clear video and two-way communication. With color night vision, you still get good, clear video, even when it's very dark outside. The camera has a 150-degree wide view, which lets you see more of what's happening at your front door. It also has a motion detection and real-time alerts. The MyQ app is very easy to use, so I really like the app as well. MyQ Video Doorbell, it's a simple, clear, and reliable protection for your home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please support my channel by hitting the like and subscribe buttons, and have yourself a great day.